Hey guys, how to pick the best photo for match. So first of all, use a clear, high quality headshot where you're smiling and looking approachable. And include a mix of photos, a full body shot, candid moments, and images showcasing your hobbies or interests. Choose pictures taken within the last year to ensure they accurately represent your current look. Avoid images where you're in group. It can be confusing for viewers. Use natural photos without heavy filters to show your true self. These tips will help you create an engaging and authentic profile. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.